This is a practice exercise video solution. For this practice, we'll get started with the supplied dataset fluidflow-pe.f3d. This design already has a generative study created, and you need to make sure that you do have the fluid style generative study enabled in your preview functionality. This already has the design space set up with our preserve, obstacle, and starting shape. What we need to do from here is create our design conditions. This is going to be our fluid inlet and outlet. First, we're going to set up our pressure outlet at 0 on the outlet side, which is the slot geometry. Next, we're going to set up our inlet, and this is going to be a flow rate. This flow rate is going to be set up in CFM. We're going to use 150 CFM and select OK. Next, we want to go to our materials and make sure that we are using air. If you wish to solve this generative study, you certainly can, but note that inside of the starting shape that there are some obstacle fins. So the ideal flow path is looking at the direction going through those fins. If you do wish to solve this generative study, I strongly suggest that you add some additional criteria, such as changing the obstacles, potentially adding some additional geometry, or making some adjustments to the overall shape. For this example, however, we were simply looking at setting up our design conditions, so from here let's make sure that we do save this design before moving on.